Hello, my name is Andrew Morris, and this is my demo of the arcade tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the beginning section of where they did this. I did 10 steps of the tutorial, going from opening window to having multiple layers. When you have the beginning opening window, it loads into sprites and a few other things. I think it just loads up the screen in general. Let's see that load up. It's going to take a few minutes. There it goes. As you can see, there's the window. Nothing's on it yet because that's just the opening of the window for now. That was the first step I learned. Next step I learned was drawing in sprites, which had the sprites. As you can see, I can't move around yet. That comes in later in the steps. Next section had scene objects, which allowed for more like the cameras to stay in place, I believe. Then there's the user controls, which allows me to move. As you can see, the jumping isn't quite right, and I'm able to move around the screen, flying around like Superman. So this then here adds gravity to the thing and actually gives some volume to my jumps, making me go back down whenever I've gone up in the air. Oh no, fall off the screen. Next one was following the camera. So I guess that wasn't the scene object. Oh no, the scene objects are the little boxes. As you can see now, the camera follows my little character around, this goofy looking miner. This next section would add coins and sound effects to the character. Then we have a thing that displays the screen, or displays the score, allowing me to see what score I'm getting in the game. As you can see, there it is down there, right down there. Next one is loading a tiled map. This one was very useful, especially in my later programs with my team members back in my team projects. As you can see, we've increased the speed, and now the map actually has its own layout, other than the pre-made ones that they have in the Python tutorial. Then we have the multiple level changer. This one was especially useful later on in my final project with my team members, allowing me to change the different screens. I used the same one they had here in both my Python game for my team members, as well as actually using the same idea for my game for JavaScript, for Java. We're using it as it uses a stage change. Now, if we look inside the code here, this is where I actually found it most significant. You'll see that there is control file stage. That must not be there. Now where are you? There we go. Let's do levels then. Here we go. Self.levels. Now I changed mine to self.stage or stage num, but it was used the same concept where whenever it reaches the end of the thing, it will add a number to the stage, transitioning them to the next stage using a setup, self-setup right here. As you can see, that's where it's doing it. It will do it if this, and then it will add the new map. I found these very useful in making the game and making it actually work effectively with our different team members. I decided to use this one mainly because when we were making the arcade tutorial, I had very little knowledge in knowing how to actually build it. So I decided to use and learn different steps in the game So that way I could build my own game and understand what was going on for our team project, because I was having difficulty understanding it. So Aria had us look into this. And I thought, well, since I've already done this, I might as well use it for some of our projects. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.